Good morning children. So up to now we discussed about what is a prime number, even numbers, and whole numbers, natural numbers and even whole numbers. This all we completed, isn't it? And about the prime numbers, composite numbers also we discussed in the previous classes. Now today once again open your maths classwork, and in the maths classwork continue, you can write the heading multiples. Okay, you can write the heading children, multiples. Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. This heading you can write in the classwork. After writing that, inside the margin write down about the multiples. So today we are going to discuss only about the multiples. So what are called multiples? See, after multiplying any two numbers, will we get the product, isn't it? So that product will be called as a multiple of the given number. See, for example, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. It means the multiple of 2 is 6. The multiple of 3 is 6. Answer, what the product will be getting after multiplying the two numbers, that will be called as a multiples. And it means in simple way we can say that you all know the multiplication tables, isn't it? So in multiplication tables, for example, you will take the 2 table. Okay, 2 table, the same example I am giving you here. If you take the 2 table, don't write children, just listen. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So these answers are there, children. So this answer, the products will be known as the multiples. And how many steps I wrote here? 1 2 3 4 5. It means 5 multiples. Okay, 1 to 5 multiples of 2. So if anyone asks you, write the 5 multiples of 2 means what you have to write? This all. Answer product is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If they ask you to write the multiples of 10, 10 means till 10 you have to completely write. Means you have to continue the table till 10. Got it? So like that, the answer, the product what will be getting by multiplying the two numbers, that product will be the multiple of the given number. Okay, so now write down in your classwork, everyone open your classwork. Okay children, in the classwork you can write give 2 fingers gap and start writing children. If we multiply any number by natural numbers means 1 2 3 4 5, like that it is infinite. Though there is no end point, but natural numbers, remember children, it will be start with the 1 and there is no end point, and whole numbers will be start with the 0 and not we have any end points. As the product becomes the multiple of product means after multiplying we get the answer. No, that is called product. Okay, product becomes the multiple of that number. Okay, example. Example, write the multiples of 4 up to 32. Okay, write the multiples of 4 up to 32. It means till by multiplying which number will be getting 32. So before that answers all you have to write as a multiple, student. So answer, solution, inside the margin only the multiples of 4 up to 32 are, so first 4 ones are 4, only answer have to write. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Finish. Because in the question they asked up to 32 only. Okay, so like this you have to complete. After this, next continue, you can write the heading facts about multiples. Next side children, facts about multiples. Okay, and underline facts about multiples. I am going to write the word. Same heading I am writing, children. Facts about multiples. Okay, after writing that, write down fact 1. First point, write it and circle and write down. Give one small arrow mark and write every natural number. Every natural number is a multiple of 1. Every natural number is a multiple of 1. Isn't it? For every number we will start multiplying with one table only now. So like that 1 becomes the multiple of every number. Next, 2. Fact 2. Give some little gap and write neatly, children, everyone. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. And third one, multiple of a number is multiple of a number is either equal to or greater than the number or greater than the number. Point number 4. A number has infinite number of multiples. A number has infinite number of multiples. Write this neatly in the classwork, children. After writing this, keep heading Roman number 1. This will continue in the next class.